What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see fix add friend button not showing on Facebook. So let's head over to our Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and let's just head over to any profile. Like there are some people who in here that I may know by this account. So if there is no add friend button right here or showing add friend button, so you might know that the person does not allow to add friends by random people. Sometimes this can be fixable. So to do that, you have to just go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. And just make sure if there is any update or not and update your Facebook. If the issue doesn't solve, just tap on it and tap on the information icon, and in here just clear the cache of that application, and hopefully that problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't already, you can always uninstall and install Facebook again. So yeah, these are the 3 ways with which you can fix that friend button not showing on Facebook. Hope this video will help, and we will see you in the next one.